Okay, so for the Google Forms, when once you search for the uh, Google Form, you can the interface should appear like this, where to start a new form, you just need to click here. Okay, so start from here. This should be the title of your form. You can start it, and also you can actually customize the theme of how you want this Google Form look like. So you can change the text style or the font for this form, whether you want the header in another font, question in another form, or text on in another font. And you can also change the size of the font. You can also add a header from the image, and if you want this form to be in blue, you can just click here, so the form will look like this. And also the background, you can choose whether you want it to be light, medium, or dark. I want it to be like here. Okay, so now the main part is this form. So here is the title of the form, and here should be your description. So in this description part, you should include your instruction for the student. Okay, for the question, here is the question part. You can add the question here, and here should be your answer. So you can also add image here for the question, and also you can add the image for the answer. Okay, so here you can move the question in sequence, so if you want to arrange it. And here, if you want the answer, let's say if you want the answer in short answer, you can just click here, and automatically the answer part should be like this. Okay, so if you want to add another question, you just click here. And also you can import a question from another part, add title and description for this part, an image, videos, and also the new section. Okay, okay. So the next question should be, if you want the next question, maybe in paragraph. So the answer should look like this. It should be a short essay one. All right. So uh, another another question. Let's say if you want the question should be in multiple answer. Okay, you can just click here the check boxes with which the student needs to answer more than one question. Okay, so from here you can see you drop down is like add option from another question, and you can upload file here. And here is where you can arrange the answer. You want it to be in linear or multiple choice grid and checkbox grid. And also here you can adjust the date and time for each part. Okay, also if you want your student to uh, answer the question, if you want it to be compulsory for student to answer it, you can just click here with which the student needs to answer the question. Okay, so if you don't want the question should be compulsory answered by the student, you can just turn off this required part. And in here you can see the how many responses and their answers here. And that's a good thing for teachers, where because you can analyze and assess your student directly from here. And also here's the setting, whether you want it to make this a quiz, responses, how many responses you can manage here, how the data are collected and protected, and you can present how the form and responses are presented. Okay, so at the end of the part for this form, you can actually preview it before you send it to your student. Okay, so Also here you can undo or redo your work, which you can continue or back to the older one. and and finally you can make a copy, or you just want to make a new one, you print it, or add collaborators if you want to add another teacher to also get involved in this form. And finally you can send it. There are few things to share. First of all, you can send it or share it via email to your student. Okay, and also you can share the link, or and here you can make the link shorter, so that the student can easily uh, access it. Okay, and that's all from the uh, Google form part. Thank you.